Okay, it's got this allegedly black fronted Uniden. I'm not sure that it should be black. I've got nothing to compare it with, but the window doesn't line up right. I think it's a Frankenstein. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie test.
Yep, working.
Roger, I'll put my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
I'm now ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger. Don't know where the front's gone, but oh, it's there. Customer can glue that back.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger.
No tone control?
Oh no, forgot to say, no tone control.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
No, I'm away.
Now I'm aware you've got a mission to do. I want you to stop that camera as soon as you get past the traffic lights and restart it as you reapproach the traffic light, and then we can synchronise back up.
Yeah, no problem.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station 137.9 and 146.9.
Well, it's open.
Yeah, we're a minute to.
Roger.
Right, we're now going round Ancaster Crossroads, left into Ancaster.
Roger, okay, I'll stop this camera.
Roger. Right, we're now going left back onto the route from Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, Dodger, how to pull a mission in on the middle of a test.
Roger.
We've got a mission at the end of the test as well.
Roger.
Roger, got you to the top of the hill. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over. Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a late version at Uniden 100. It's the black one, but I'm not sure it really is. It could be a fake. And it's doing full 4 watt output, and I'm on a standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that. Well received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger. Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, went out at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, and we've got better radio traffic than earlier on when we did that walkie-talkie field test. So I'm on this Uniden Uniace 100, and it's drawing just over 1 amp to deliver a full 4 watt output. Then it goes to low power, and it's 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we are on low power now, drawing 430 milliamps. Back to full power, and there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power, bit noisy on low power, but just as you'd expect.
No problem at all, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Chippie. We're now going over Roswell Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Roswell level crossing.
Yep, 142.9 and 148.7.
Excellent, well that worked a treat, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Roswell Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 142.9 and 148.7.
Excellent, well that worked a treat, thank you.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Yeah, that worked really well. So, you know, these aren't anything like as sensitive as the Cybernet sets, 0.95. So, yes, I mean, they've got a better reputation for bleed over, and perhaps with that sensitivity, that's part of it. Worked absolutely fine. We'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like on the Midland 76900.
Tango 21, testing the Uniden Uniace 100 into our Midland 76900 base station using the standard replacement mic. On 4 watts, pop it onto low power just as a hum test. There we are on low power. Testing 1, 2, 3, back to full power. There we have it. The next repair is a Midland 2001 Precision Series from 1981.